Okay, so here we have the ingredients that we need to make ants on a log. Here we have some celery. Here we have some raisins. This is peanut butter and this is cream cheese. Now you don't have to use both of these. You're just going to choose one. I'm going to show you using both, but you can choose one. So this is going to be our log. So what you need to do, very easy. You're going to get your spoon. I'm going to use the peanut butter first. I'm going to use the back of my spoon and I'm going to put it inside the little gap of my celery and spread it along. I'm going to take a little bit more. And there is all nice and sticky inside there. Okay, I'm just going to do quickly the same with the cream cheese to show you guys. Squish it in there. It doesn't matter which one you use. Maybe some of you don't like peanut butter. Look, I'm covered in cheese, but it's okay because I'm gonna wash my hands after. Okay, so our logs are ready to go. Next, we're gonna get our ants and stick them on the log. So you're gonna take one ant at a time and stick it on to your log. 3, 4, 5, and look, it looks like little ants walking along a log. Very cute. And I'm just going to put them in my cream cheese one also. And there we have, very easy to make, ants on a log.